Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So in this video we'll be discussing about a new problem, very exciting problem, so which includes a bit of trigonometry. So it's not about trigonometric terms or like concepts and all, it's actually about trigonometric terms. So and also a bit of manipulation and logical thinking, and this is the other side of mathematics where usually people enjoy solving things because like if we solve it in a conventional method, people don't actually love that. So max solving people and max geeks actually love for searching in love for searching logics and solving the problem. So this is a very good problem for them and test the mind and solving part. So the question is, the first things they are like, first are the conditions given to us, like minus pi by 4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to pi by 4, and minus pi by 4 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to pi by 4. And then the equations: x cube plus sin x minus 2a equals to 0, 4y cube plus cos y into sin y plus a is equal to 0, and cos of x plus 2y is equal to k. So they have asked us to find the value of 3 plus 4k. So basically I just need to find the value of k, isn't it? So if I just find the value of k, I can get the value of 3 plus 4k. So these are the equations and these are the conditions. So stepping into the solution part, I'll write the equation. So first the equation given to us is x cube plus sin x minus 2a equals to 0. Alright, this is the first equation. And the second one is cos of x plus 2y is equal to k. And the third equation is 4y cube plus sin y into cos y plus a equals to 0. So this is the third equation. So this is the first equation: x cube plus sin x minus 2a equals to 0, and cos of x plus 2y is equal to k, and 4y cube plus sin y into cos y plus a equal to 0. So in this equation I can just find that, like, if I know the value of x plus 2y, I would get the value of k, isn't it? Because it's cos of x plus 2y. So I just need to find the value of x plus 2y. And also when seeing the equation, I just need to solve these equations to get the value of x and 2y. But it's not possible because we have three unknowns totally. So we need three equations, but we have only two equations. So we just need to find the other way of solving, that is to find the relation between x and 2y. All right, so then we can just try to solve it. And because we can see from here, like x cube plus sin x minus 2a, here 4y cube plus sin y cos y plus a, if I just multiply by 2 here, I can get it into sin 2y form, and also I can get 2a, which is there in the first equation, and I get 8y cube. But some or the other way I can just relate them. So I'll take this equation first, that is a is equal to minus 4y cube plus, sorry, it's minus, so minus sin y cos y, isn't it? This is the equation. So I'll just multiply by 2. 2a is equal to minus 8y cube minus 2 sin y cos y. So it is minus 8y cube minus sin 2y. Alright, so this is the equation. 2a is equal to minus 8y cube minus sin 2y. Now because my y is like minus pi by 4 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to pi by 4, so I can just multiply by 2 on both sides. I get minus pi by 2 is less than or equal to 2y is less than or equal to pi by 2. And if something is between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, so I can write that as sine of 2y minus sine of 2y can be written as sine of minus 2y. So I'll just use this property here, and this is basically minus 2y whole cube minus sine, like minus sine 2y, right? Like if I just need to write it in a proper way, I can write this as 2a equals to minus 2y whole cube, and here I can write this as plus, like plus sine of minus 2y. Alright, so minus 2y whole cube plus sine of minus 2y. What if I assume this as some function g? Alright, some function g. So then g of 2y is equal to minus 2y whole cube plus sine of minus 2y, isn't it? So this is what we have got, like g of 2y is equal to minus 2y whole cube plus sine of minus 2y. Like I've just assumed this as function g. So this is basically nothing but the value is 2a. Alright, what if I put, instead of 2y, what if I put x? Alright, what if I put x? I get g of x is equal to x cube plus sine of x. So which is again 2a, isn't it? From the first equation we can see that 2a is equal to x cube plus sin x. So if I put the value to be 2y in the function g, I'm getting that value to be 2a. So which is minus 2y whole cube plus sin of minus 2y. If I put x in the g function, I'm getting the same value 2a. That means here, from if I just look into the terms, alright, if I just look into the terms, I can conclude that x will be equal to minus 2y, isn't it? So that's the reason when I put, instead of like when I put like if I just when I assume that this whole function is g, and instead of like when I put that to be minus 2y, because g of 2y is nothing but minus 2y whole cube plus sin of minus 2y, and instead of 2y when I put x, I'm getting x cube plus sin x. So when that actually happens, and these both two values are same, 2a and 2a, that means that minus 2y will be equal to k. So minus 2y will be equal to k. That means x plus 2y is equal to 0. So cos of x plus 2y is what he have asked us, like it's a k. So cos of 0 is equal to k, which is equal to 1. So 3 plus 4k will be equal to 7. So this is a problem where we actually see the logic, because it's not that easy to come to the conclusion like modifying this into equation part, like considering this as function and then solving it. This is not that easy because this is actually the part where like instead of instead of three equations, we are given with only two equations. So definitely all the math geeks who are actually present out there will be looking out for the third equation, and some will be like to find the relation between x plus 2y, x and 2y, and they'll definitely be sure that either they both will be cancelled or they both will be equal to 0, then only it works out. So either in that way people will try it out in a trial and error way, but the basic thing is you just need to find the relation between x and 2y, then only you can just find the value of k, because we have two equations and three unknowns, which is basically impossible to find the value of cos of x plus 2y without this method. So I hope you guys understood this. Like this is a very very good problem where you feel real manipulation and real logical thinking actually does like apply here. So tomorrow, like in the next video, I'll be coming up with the news like new problem of the day. Like we have still a lot of good problems in this section, so stay tuned for that, and thank you for watching this video.